day 10 at Aburi, and this is how far we've gotten to. Block work, lentil work is done. So this is the master bedroom. Finished the block work, the lentil. We are yet to lay the blocks on top of the lentil, which will start tomorrow. So this is the walk-in closet area. That's how it is. And this is the washroom for the master bedroom. Here is the living area. Comes here. These are the washrooms for the 2 bedrooms that we have here. And this is one of the bedrooms. Lentil work is complete. We have to commence the block laying tomorrow. And this is one of the bedrooms also.
So gradually we are making progress, and as you can see, the block work is coming up nicely, and this is just done under 2 weeks. So I mean, you can just do your block work, whether it's the ground floor or the second floor. It's possible to do it in 2 weeks if you have the manpower and you have the finance. You have a great team. I mean, they can come together and get it done for you, in 2 weeks. It's possible to get it done. So as you can see, after the lentil, which we started with the casting, that was my previous video, the guys are working on the continuation on top of the lentil, which is going to hold the roof. So that's also going to be something that we have to see in our next contract that we have with the client. Our first contract was just to get a block work to fix the issue which we met, which is from the decking, the cracking on the decking, and go with the block work till the hidden roof gutter. So that's also something that we have to do. So I mean, I think maybe in my next episode or so, we will be looking at the hidden roof gutter construction, and then when that is done, we focus on the roofing. So I mean, slow by sure, but we are making progress. That's what construction is about. It's not about with falls and giddy giddy giddy. No, you just take your time. You analyze the whole project, and then you make a plan, step-by-step plan towards it. So since it's block work, I would like to introduce Mr. Kwete to you, who is our supplier, with block cement on the channel.
Masamba. This yes sir. Dabi. Ebe ko ne mamu. So wale tete Ghana. Ye bi yolo. Ye. Ibe chowi. This Mr. Kwete Block Factory, located at Dowenya Terazo Junction, opposite the first cave pub and go. When you are coming from Tema, At the Tarazo Junction, you take the Ososhin Road. There you see this story building. Just behind this story building, the block factory, and then the first curve pub and grill. On that stretch close to ECG, you see the block factory where we sell the jata, cement, dongote. We tell you that we sell quality and affordable. Our goods are not just quality and affordable. Customers should start contacting us for this goods. We need more workers too. We have another branch at Chopoli, Sagleme. This is the secret of Mr. Kwete blocks. You can see we have so many blocks there. We have produced, waiting for delivery. The necessities, and the secret is Jata cement. You want to know the secret? It's Jata cement or Dangote. I saw a variety of cement, and when you call me, we can provide this cement for you at your site within a shortest possible time. Call me on 0246246938. This week we are dealing with some commission for all foremen and then double yard drivers who do delivery for us. So call me on 0246246938 and come for your cement. Buy quality and affordable to finish your bill. Thank you. I'm showing the Jataka. Say no man Jina Swache. Jata cement in 107 cedis for one bag. Now cement prices are no more secret. It's 107 cedis. Simaf 92 cedis. 92 cedis. Then you come to the almighty Dongote. 108 cedis. Dongote is 108 cedis. Back. This is the location. You can see the staircase around the Tarazo Junction, the Tarazo stretch, Tarazo Road. You take the T Junction, take your right on the Osonshi Adakope stretch. You locate this staircase when you are on the road coming. You can see this staircase. That is where we saw Jata, Dongote, and Simaf. That is where the block factory is at Dowena. The new branch is at Chopoli. We are at Chopoli. So if you have a land with these estate people around Ningo Pampram, you call us, visit your site, then we start work. Bueko Sagleme opposite. Then Nigbenya Chopoli Dawa Agoto Shao Sudoku Doyum Afienya Mataiku. When you come to Dawonya, you have Abe, Methodist, ARS, etc. Oshioko, we deliver. we deliver. Call us on 0246 2469 38.
So there you have it. When it comes to construction, Gigo Production Group, we are here for you. We do our best. So get in touch with us if you are interested in building your dream house. So then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next episode. Let's do it.